Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of making a tablet. Now let's scale it a bit. Keep it here. Scale it a bit. Yeah, now the camera is done. So G, Y, quickly. So this part 2 is not very long lasting video. A very short video. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to we need to make these together. So we need to select all of these. Yeah, selected. So press these keys, Control J. Now, if you want to move the camera, you can't. Rosie. Yeah, I need to make a color for it. I'll make a bluish camera. Yeah. Now Control J. See, our tablet is done. Goodbye. See you in next video. Bye for now. Like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos from Sai Rudraksha, Class 5. Thank you.